YouTube fam? It's your boy Big D and my dog Chopper's in there. So, but before we get started, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you won't miss any of me and my dog's video of what we got planned. Today I'm gonna show you how to sing in a nice, beautiful tone. Number one, stand up straight. Stand up straight is what makes it easier to come. Number two, breathe. All you gotta do is take a deep breath and let it out. Cause hey, that's the best way to get your vocals to come. But when it comes to singing, you gotta sing it from your belly. Don't sing it from your throat. Or don't sing it from your throat. Cause singing it from your throat will only make it worse. You gotta sing it from your belly so that way your vocal cords can have plenty of room for a high pitch you want to sing at. Yep, you gotta sing it from your belly. Like I did on Aladdin. But I sing it from the belly. Ooh. That's how I do it. I got first thing, I just watch me and do how I do it. And go like this. Me. Yes, sing from your belly. Like inhale, then slowly exhale. It's how I do it. Ooh. You see, that time I sang from my belly and I inhale and exhale. And to get your vocal, sometimes it's okay to sing, but just don't overwork your voice. Sometimes singing is fun and it's okay to do, but you gotta be careful with your vocal cords, because sometimes your vocal cords won't last very long when it comes to singing very high pitch. But to make your vocal cords like even more better, you just gotta give it a little rest, and that means drink 8 cups of water. 8 cups of water. That's what makes your voice very strong. 8 cups of water is very good for your vocal cords. It's what helps keep it clear and strong for your next singing career. So, and here comes the next step. Okay, you gotta have your vocal cords like in a perfect mood. You don't want to overdo your vocal cords, or else it's gonna dry out. So, it's okay to sing. Sometimes it's okay to sing, but you gotta rest your voice, which means don't sing too much. Otherwise, you'll come down with laryngitis, and that's very bad. But in cases, you gotta drink plenty of water, no talking, have your lips zipped, and no whispering too, because whispering only makes it worse. Now, how I do it, there are many people who sings in the vocal mode. Some people can sing normal, ooh, and some people sing high, and some people sing low. That's the bass note. You see, back in the day, ever since when the bass people used their bass voice, ever since when they was just a little guy, they couldn't afford any bass guitars. So they used their vocal cords to make it sound like a bass man. It's called the bass notes. Like you heard of the group called the Persuasions. One of them sing high and the bassmen sing low. And it's with Jerry Lawson in them. Dude, I love Jerry Lawson. He's got an amazing voice. He's Jerry Lawson in the Persuasions. Okay, he retired as the Persuasions, but then Jerry Lawson moved on to Jerry Lawson and the Talk of the Town, where all those boys can come together to do like a vocal. It's called a vocal group. Or when it's like four men singing, it's called the quartet. So remember to sing from your belly so you can get your voice as nice as possible, alright? So, and that, my friend, is how you get your voice to, and that, my friend, is how you get to sing nicely. That, my friends, is how you get your voice to sing in the perfect pitch. Anywhere you want. So, in order to get your voice to sing in a perfect pitch, sometimes you just gotta give it soul. And that is how you do it. Remember, if you guys like this video, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications. So, I will see you guys next time on the spot. Oh, and like, comment, and share. And please give it a thumbs up. So I will see you next time on the spot. Peace. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo.